what's up, my beautiful ladies? Natasha here. So everybody is in money saving mode right now. Yes, I totally get it, but you still want to look good, right? You still want to still get your hair done, your makeup and all that stuff. So girl, I got some tricks for you that are going to help your extensions last longer, help your hair last longer. So you spend a lot of money, right? Protecting your hair, getting your hair extensions or coloring your hair or try to grow your hair out right now. And maybe you just can't see the hairstylist as much as you'd like to. So this is probably one of the best ways to protect your investment right now is using scrunchies. And like, how fun is scrunchies, right? So I'm going to show you some quick tricks and just different ways that I've been rocking scrunchies lately. Scrunchies are awesome because they prevent hair breakage from happening. So they're not as tight on your hair and they're just super soft and they're just so cute and so fun. So anyway, I just discovered this brand called Kitsch. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love already. And I ordered these products online and they came in these really cute traveling kits. Oh, these little traveling cases, bags, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, I'm a busy mom, so I can never have too many little bags to carry little crap around, right? So, okay, so here's my top scrunchie ideas for you girls.